What do you do when you're at your lowest? When Musa alaihissalam left for Madian, he had to make an unexpected and long journey on foot for which he was not prepared. But he put his trust in Allah and said, I hope that Allah will guide me to the right way. By the time he arrived at the waterhole of Madian, Musa alaihissalam was at his lowest. He was physically exhausted, and he had no home, no work, no food, no family, and no idea about his future. Now, in the crowd of people that he saw at the waterhole, he noticed two women who were clearly in need of help. And before attending to any of his own needs, Musa alaihissalam went to help the women without being asked and without asking for a payment in return. After that, he went to the shade, the hungriest that he had ever been, and he put his needs before Allah alone. He said, Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khairin faqir. O my Lord, I am desperately in need of any good you send down to me. I need help, a special intervention, and I need any and every good thing from you, O Lord, for I am completely and utterly dependent on you. I have nothing. Musa alaihissalam prays to Allah with so much humility and so much hope. And we see that he combines his dua with righteous action. And we see that the good from Allah comes flowing to him endlessly. One of the women calls him and he goes to meet her father. And after that meeting, Musa alaihissalam gets a family, a home, a job, and it does not end there. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks to him directly, gives him prophethood, and rescues the Bani Israel through him.